Welcome back to Atlanta Game 2.
Coca-Cola Classic. Always refreshing. Always Coca-Cola. By Snickers. Packed with peanuts, Snickers really satisfies. By the GM card. Today's financial vehicle. By MasterCard. And by Canon, a world leader in cameras and office equipment. The roaring started a long time ago. It has continued up until kickoff. Look now at the starting lineups, and we... Ideal playing conditions on the field. The pitch here, Frenzy, they're not going to cool off at all. Not with the temperature in the mid-90s and the humidity not that bad, but tell that to everybody that's sitting here. There are some thunderstorms in the area. This is a completely enclosed stadium, so it's wide. It appears to be in absolutely perfect condition. Participating in bringing you today's game is Adidas, a part of the game for over 70 years. And by Sprint, the exclusive provider of long-distance voice and data communication. These are the best players in the world, but they're also the best officials in the world of soccer. The save of the game comes from a 22-year-old defender. They say he shadows... Well, they say time of possession doesn't mean much if you don't score, and sometimes the shot statistic doesn't mean a whole lot either. About the effect of the heat on your running. Right, what about the effect of the heat on your jumping? We are scoreless and through one half of play. A tough, emotional first half. And when you have a bad giveaway like that, it usually comes right back at you in a hurry. What you do from that angle is get back to the goal. Low ball in, and it's cleared easily. This top is in the mid-90s. Was he fouled? Oh, he was the man committing the foul. He was just over 2 minutes unofficially from the end, and much injury in this first half. That's been pretty continuous. So, when they get good opportunities, they haven't been able to get them off the bat. And there's the man who almost got the goal at the 40 minutes. Is nothing unfamiliar for him. The game is presented commercial-free by the GM card. And scoreless at halftime. Turmoil in that country in the last decade or so. Soccer has never been more important to them than it is right now. What unbelievable pressure on them. On an individual basis, who will be the man? at halftime. And we've got to look back at the first half. Coming up when we return. Snickers. Packed with peanuts, Snickers really satisfies. By GMC Truck, the strength of experience. By MasterCard, official spice equipment. And by Ice Cold Coca-Cola Classic, always refreshing, always Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. A scoreless first half. In a moment, it is scoreless at the half. And we welcome you back to net. But both came close a few times. We await the result of this game today. He's swirling around the stadium. These players were in no hurry to come out of that locker. His chances on those 50-50 balls.
Hayır, dur, geri devam edin.